Starting a business requires careful preparation and learning. Before launching your venture, it's essential to acquire knowledge and skills in various areas to increase your chances of success. Here are some key things you should learn before starting a business. 1. Industry and market research. Understand the industry you plan to enter and conduct thorough market research. Identify your target audience, competitors, market trends, and potential demand for your products or services. 2. Business planning. Learn how to create a comprehensive business plan that outlines your business concept, goals, target market, marketing strategies, operational plan, and financial projections. A well-thought-out business plan will guide you through the early stages of your business. 3. Legal and regulatory requirements. Familiarize yourself with the legal and regulatory aspects of starting a business. Learn about business registration, licenses, permits, taxes, and any industry-specific regulations that may apply to your venture. 4. Financial management. Develop a solid understanding of financial management, including budgeting, accounting, cash flow management, and financial forecasting. Know how to track and analyze your business's financial performance. 5. Sales and marketing. Learn effective sales and marketing strategies to promote your products or services and attract customers. This includes digital marketing, social media, branding, and customer relationship management. 6. Customer service. Customer satisfaction is crucial for business success. Learn how to provide exceptional customer service and build strong relationships with your clients. 7. Operations and logistics. Understand the operational aspects of running a business, including sourcing suppliers, managing inventory, production processes, if applicable, and logistics for product distribution. 8. Human resources management. If you plan to hire employees, learn about human resources management, including hiring, training, employee benefits, and compliance with labor laws. 9. Negotiation and communication. Develop strong negotiation and communication skills to deal with suppliers, customers, partners, and potential investors. 10. Problem solving and adaptability. Learn how to tackle challenges and problem solve effectively. Being adaptable and willing to make changes when necessary is essential for entrepreneurial success. 11. Networking and building relationships. Build a network of contacts within your industry and related fields. Networking can lead to valuable partnerships, collaborations, and business opportunities. 12. Time management and organization. Develop effective time management and organizational skills to prioritize tasks and manage your business efficiently. 13. Risk management. Understand the risks associated with your business and learn how to mitigate them. Being prepared for potential risks can help safeguard your business's future. 14. Entrepreneurial mindset. Cultivate an entrepreneurial mindset characterized by resilience, creativity, innovation, and a willingness to take calculated risks. Learning is an ongoing process, and the more knowledge and skills you acquire, the better equipped you will be to navigate the challenges and opportunities that come with starting and running a successful business. Consider taking entrepreneurship courses, attending workshops, reading books, and seeking advice from experienced entrepreneurs and mentors. The more prepared you are, the greater the likelihood of turning your business idea into a thriving venture.